Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to do some repairs on this retaining wall caps. So this retaining wall was put in about 5 years ago, and through kids walking on it and me walking on it, some of these caps have come loose. So we're going to try to glue those caps back on. Before I started videotaping, I removed 6 of the caps that were loose. When I removed the caps, I just flipped them over so when we are ready to put them back in place, we will just flip them back over. The first thing we want to do is to brush off the bottom caps and also the base that the caps are sitting on. Next, we need to open the brick adhesive. The adhesive comes in a cartridge that fits in a caulking gun. Now we are going to cut off the tip of the adhesive container at about 45-degree angle and a 1/4 inch hole at the end of the nozzle. Most caulking guns come with a built-in pin that will puncture the seal on the product. Now we want to put the adhesive on the cap. I'm going to apply the adhesive to the same area that the old adhesive was. I want to apply about a 1/2 inch of adhesive. More is better than less. Now we are going to just flip the cap back into place and apply some pressure to set the adhesive. For the most part, the caps are the same size, but you will find that some of them had to be cut to fit the design of the wall. So you want to keep them in the same order that you remove them. This is actually a step down area for the wall. Same procedure though. We are going to clean the area with the brush the same way we cleaned the first cap, and now we are going to apply the adhesive to the cap, just like I did on the other cap. Now I'm going to just flip the cap over, make sure that the cap is secure. This is the third one. It's a little bit different. The other 2 caps came loose at the cap itself, but this one came loose at the bottom base. There is a big brick underneath where this one came off. It doesn't really matter though. The procedure is still the same. Clean the bricks with the brush, apply the adhesive, and flip the cap and the brick back into place. One of the things that I use is the Loctite products. I like them. I don't get paid for no money to use them or like that. I just like them. I've used them over the years. Another thing, I used alcohol to clean up my hands and my tools and anything that got on the brick. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.